The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This watermelon-glazed salmon is a surprisingly delicious way to upgrade your fish dinner. The salmon fillets are marinated in a sweet and savory pineapple soy blend, then grilled until perfectly tender. The real star, however, is the homemade watermelon glaze. Simmered with orange marmalade, brown sugar, and a hint of cinnamon, it reduces into a glossy coral pink sauce that perfectly balances tropical fruitiness with warm spices. Drizzled over the hot grilled salmon, this dish offers a beautiful presentation and a burst of fresh, summery flavor in every bite. Marinade. Pineapple juice, 1 cup. Soy sauce, 1/2 cup. Fresh ginger, grated, 1 tablespoon. Fresh garlic, minced, 3 cloves. Salmon fillets, skin removed, 4 cy. Watermelon glaze. Watermelon chunks, pureed, 2 cups. Orange marmalade, 1 cup. Light brown sugar, 1/4 cup. Ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Mince the garlic and grate the ginger. Peel and mince 3 cloves of fresh garlic until finely chopped. Peel a knob of fresh ginger and grate it using a microplane or the fine side of a box grater until you have 1 tablespoon. The fresh aromatics are the backbone of the marinade. Their pungency will mellow and deepen as the salmon soaks. Step 2. Puree the watermelon. Place 2 cups of watermelon chunks into a blender or food processor and blend until a smooth liquid puree forms. Strain through a fine mesh sieve if you prefer a silkier glaze, though leaving it as is adds beautiful body and a faint pink hue. Measure out 2 cups of the finished puree and set aside. Step 3. Prepare the marinade. In a large resealable plastic bag, combine 1 cup pineapple juice, 1/2 cup soy sauce, the 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, and the 3 minced garlic cloves. Mix gently to distribute the ingredients evenly. The pineapple juice serves a dual purpose here. Its tropical sweetness flavors the fish while its natural enzymes begin to tenderize the salmon fillets during marination. Step 4. Measure the glaze. Ingredients. Gather and measure out all glaze ingredients before starting to cook. 2 cups of the watermelon puree from step 2, 1 cup orange marmalade, 1/4 cup light brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Having everything pre-measured ensures the glaze comes together smoothly once the heat is on. Cooking steps. Step 1. Marinate the salmon. Add the 4 salmon fillets to the resealable bag with the marinade. Seal the bag tightly, pressing out as much air as possible, and turn the bag several times to coat the fillets thoroughly. Place in the refrigerator and marinate for at least 1 hour. This extended chill time allows the pineapple juice, soy sauce, ginger, and garlic to penetrate the salmon, building a layered, savory, sweet flavor base. Step 2. Simmer the watermelon glaze. About 20 minutes before the marination is complete, combine the 2 cups of watermelon puree, 1 cup orange marmalade, 1/4 cup light brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon salt in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Bring the mixture to a boil, stirring frequently to dissolve the marmalade and sugar. Once it reaches a boil, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for 20 minutes, stirring occasionally until the sauce has thickened into a glossy, syrupy glaze with a beautiful coral pink color. Keep warm. Why this works? The watermelon puree reduces and concentrates its natural sugars, caramelizing alongside the brown sugar and marmalade. The cinnamon adds a warm, aromatic undertone that bridges the tropical fruitiness of the watermelon with the citrusy edge of the marmalade. This technique is confirmed by the Food Network cross-reference, where a similar glaze is simmered for 10 minutes until syrupy. Step 3. Grill the salmon. Remove the salmon fillets from the marinade and discard the used marinade. Lightly coat a grill pan or large skillet with cooking spray and place it over medium heat. Once the pan is hot, arrange the salmon fillets in a single layer. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork and has developed attractive golden grill marks. The pineapple juice in the marinade will help caramelize the exterior, giving the salmon a lightly lacquered finish. Doneness tip. Salmon is done when it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit and the flesh turns opaque and separates gently along the natural fat lines when pressed with a fork. Step 4. Plate and serve. Transfer each grilled salmon fillet to a serving plate. Spoon the warm watermelon glaze generously over the top of each fillet, allowing it to cascade down the sides. Garnish with a few fresh watermelon chunks or a sprig of fresh herbs if desired. Serve immediately while the salmon is hot and the glaze is glossy.